The guest support module is where the guest support team manages reservations. The landing page of this module is the list of reservations. This page is equipped with quick search fields for the confirmation number and transaction ID. Also, advanced search is available for more detailed search. There are new columns added: payment scheme, transaction date, check-in and check-out. Transaction date is based on DWH time. Check-in and check-out is based on hotel time. Reservations are now sorted according to transaction date. Advanced search is equipped with filters that will help the user search for the transaction that they need. Reservation status, updated payment scheme, and new quick filters. Functionality to search for reservations based on the last 4 digits and expiration date of the guest's credit card. Reservations are filtered according to the following: transaction date based on DWH time, check-in and check-out based on hotel time. On the quick filters box, reservations requested for cancellation displays hotel process reservations with the following conditions: reservations requested by the hotel to be canceled. Not guaranteed reservations with lapsed credit card deadline. Reservations tagged as not guaranteed displays hotel process reservations with pending credit card requests. Reservations reported as no-shows are DWH process reservations with the following status: no-show reported, no-show in progress. Reservations tagged as on hold and on hold pending displays DWH processed full payment reservations. On the Reservations Details tab, the guest's last 4 digits, expiration date, and name of card is listed. For payment processor, hotel for hotel processed, Asia Pay or Global Connect for DWH. Payment scheme, hotel processed, upon arrival or upon booking. DWH, partial or full. For request to cancel, click on Proceed to finalize the transaction. When the Cancel button is triggered, remarks must be provided for canceling the reservation. Revert status, Request to cancel. This is available for not guaranteed reservations. Allows users to tag not guaranteed reservations back to its previous status, confirmed or modified. When clicked, the user is required to confirm the action before proceeding. A pop-up window will appear with a warning. The reservation status is changed. The guest support module also has a report section that is divided into buckets: guest details, reservation details, and payment details.